अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, अपनी सास और ससुर के घर शौरमा राइस और फेंटे को यहाँ रॉयल बोलते हैं, लेके जा रहा है अपन। आपको एरिया दिखाता है, कितना अच्छा एरिया है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, खलील होम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हाउ आर यू? हाँ, रेहाना ऑर्चर्ड। इट्स ओके।
Orchard tuh Rena, desa ya. Ya lah. You sit. Oh my God.
हमज़ा?
Oh Hamza, kuya. Oh.
और जाना very high volume.
Bye to Anna.
Is that dead body? Oh, not Celine.
Ya, maluto. Tulisan ko sa dili maluto. Ano kumita? Ano ba kuya? Ano Ibrahim?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Ha? Desan Ibrahim?
अरुण, हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Ya kami mga pinitarikan, kami mga pinabuka.
You go to school?
Yeah.
Okay. Hamza go to school? Meow. Meow. ये देख सकते बिल्लियाँ इनके घर की। ओ हमजा, बैड हमजा, बैड हमजा।
Sa basketball na?
Wala, kung siguro niya si Asan. Si Beto.
हमजे,
Si Isa.
hey Brian.
No. You go? I don't know.
Okay, go now.
Sa Somyong. Sa nandun Somyong si Ibrahim.
Meow.
Idulog kayo ni si Kuya nga ro sa Orchard.
Yeah?
Then, sama si Raihana. Ito ni Kaptirwa. Sama si Raihana papuntang airport.
No.
Ano, no?
No,
Ikaw lang?
Yes.
No.
For you, me. Eat.
Yeah.
Right, eat for you.
Okay.
A shawarma rice,
Shukran.
Arabian style. Yeah, it's like Arabian food.
Arabian.
Yeah.
Hamza?
Hamza, what are you doing, Hamza? Hamza, what are you doing? Bad Hamza, what are you doing? Hamza?
Nice?
Yummy, delicious. Okay.
Ito, Maiden. Then, si Ibrahim, lubang nga.
Hamza? No, Ibrahim.
7 yung flight niya. And 7 yung mile. 7 yung flight.
No, 11 o'clock flight.
11?
Yeah, 11 o'clock flight.
Oh, bakit aga?
But 7 o'clock go airport taxi.
Aga.
It's too early.
Need at least take 1 hour to go to airport.
Mm.
I will be there 8 o'clock airport and 3 hour early need to go check in.
Then 11
o'clock flight.
Then airplane. What time to Hong Kong?
11 o'clock, 1 o'clock Manila. And 6:30 Manila to Hong Kong. I arrive Hong Kong 9:30.
9:30
Hong Kong.
a.m.
AM. Manila 6 hour wait.
Oh,
Airport.
Mga tamis mo.
And Ursuline,
Yes.
maganda. Are you a Halloween ghost?
I'm talking to you some.
Oh.
Tuloy ni. Yan. Paano?
It's delicious.
I'm good now. That's
I knew it. It will be. Especially ask them to not make spicy. I request them. Because you can't eat spicy.
Ako, tuka ko dyan siya.
तो ये सारा खाना खा रहे हैं अकमल बाय
Bye.
Bye na.
Bye, Kuya.
बाय
Kuya.
हमजा बाय हमजे बाय सी यू सून हमजे बाय
Diyo sa sari doon naroon.
We miss you, brother.
inshallah. What's up guys, it's me Rame. So I come here to meet Haji Malik. Say hi. Hi. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं नानी को मिलने आया हूँ, नानी की बहू है. So I meet Haji Malik, okay? And you can go inside. I will shy. You can come outside. Haji Malik. Yeah, I come here to meet you.
You're okay?
Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Alhamdulillah. What time you go?
Maybe, I don't know, maybe 7, 8, I am not sure now. I will check the flight. Right now I will go pray and then get ready.
No problem, inshallah. I will accompany you in the airport.
It's okay, no problem, I can go.
Because you are only one.
One is no problem. You need to sleep, no problem.
Okay, I'll know. No problem.
It's up to you, no problem for me. Who is that, your son?
Yes, this is
Assalamu
my young-
alaikum.
This is my youngest.
Assalamu alaikum.
Tell, no, you tell me what time you go.
Maybe, I'm not sure, maybe 7 o'clock, but Al Noor also have to go to work, you know, in the morning.
No, I'll know it's 6 o'clock when it work.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, Al Noor, come, we can meet and talk about it.
Okay.
Okay, so I go and for pray.
So no problem?
No
Happy
problem.
trip. No.
Yeah, no problem. All problems solved. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, all problems solved, Salma. I was waiting for Khalil. तो नाजरीन अपन ने अपने नानी का फैमिली को भी मिल लिया है. अब फिर अपन गाड़ी जा रहा है. नानी की बहू थी, सब थे, सबसे मिल लिया है. ये मेरी छोटी सी फैमिली. सास की फैमिली भी दिखाई थी आपको. इस बार मैं सोचा नानी की फैमिली दिखा दूँ. नानी की फैमिली काफ़ी अच्छी है मेरे साथ. मुझे रबर अच्छी लगती है. और नाना भी काफ़ी अच्छा है अपन के साथ. अच्छा लगा मिलके उनको, क्योंकि आज अपन जा रहा है वापस हांगकांग. तो मैं सोचा अपन मिल तो ले ना उनसे. एक लास्ट गुड बाय तो बनता है ना.